Broken combine harvester.
Oh, la, la, la. Oh. Oh, oh.
What's this? Help! Help!
Oh no! The rescue alarm is on. Full speed ahead.
Oh.
Oh my! How did you fall like this?
I don't know! I was harvesting wheat. And suddenly I tripped on something.
I need to take you back to the repair center first. Please wait a moment.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Thank you.
Okay, we're here. First, I need to check your whole body. Oh my, it's full of dust and debris inside. Let me take off the cover first. Whoa, there's a big rock in here too. Now I'll tighten the loose screws. Next, I'll remove the rust. Repair done. This part is badly damaged. Let's change it. Replacement done. Now it's time to wash. Add some bubbles. Rinse with clean water. Blow dry with warm air. Wax and polish. All done!
Wow! Thank you, TinkerBot. I can work much better now.
You're welcome. If you ever need help, come back to the TinkerBot Repair Center anytime.
No problem. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
La, 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 la.